Hi, my beautiful people. And my kids have been disturbing me, asking me, Mommy, we want cake, we want cake. Just watch how I and them will join hands together to achieve this moist, fluffy, and very delicious cupcake and a little bit of pancake, like 6 inches pancake. This is how we achieved this together. Trust me, it was fun baking with them. It's holiday, we have to do some certain things just to keep them busy from disturbing us and other stuff. So I just say we have to do this. I use a little strength in me to do this with them. And this is we testing it. Watch and see. My children has already taken taking this one for testing. And they're still asking for more. Uchaya, test it and tell them how the cake tastes. No, wait.
Okay.
I'm giving you this one. I want to open it for you.
That one is warm. It's not warm. It's warm. Mommy, don't let this thing fall.
Okay. Uche should eat it and tell them how it tastes. Uche and Divine. I'm going to share it. It's not for only you.
What?
Uche, this one you're stretching your hand. You want to eat the cake at once.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share it for you and Divine. So both of you should test the cake and tell me how it tastes.
Nice.
How does it taste?
Nice.
Do you taste the cinnamon in it? The taste of the cinnamon. Let me try this. Let me see. The cake. What I like about this cupcake is it's very moist, very fluffy. See, look at how it is. It bounces back.
It's very fluffy.
So let me test it. Oh my god.
Mommy, let me eat.
This is so nice.
Mommy, we have
So we're using 2 cups of sugar, right? So this is 1 cup. I'll measure the other cup. 2 cups of sugar for 4 cups of flour. Okay?
Mommy, pour.
Do you hear what I'm saying?
Mommy,
So we have the second cup.
Mommy,
That's the last sugar,
finish.
so we'll manage it.
finish.
Yes, it's finished. I'll buy another one. So I sieve it, Do you hear me?
Yes. Mommy,
Are you hearing what I'm saying, or I should stop baking?
yes.
So you have to sieve it so that it will be smooth,
Yes.
That's the sense of
It will be smooth.
Yes. Are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes.
This thing is called sieve.
Yes.
What I'm using here is called sieve.
See.
Yeah. Can you see?
Okay.
Do you see the reason why we sieve it? Have you seen the small particles inside? Have you seen this one? So we're going to do away with this, Now we have our sugar, and here we have our 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, right? Okay?
Me too, I like it.
So
Let's make it.
we mix it together, mix the dry ingredients together, okay?
Yeah, not mix.
Are you seeing?
Yes.
So we have mixed it. So the next thing we're going to be doing is inside the sugar, we're going to be adding 1 cup of oil.
Mom, you mix another one for me. Don't let it for mommy.
So this is our 1 cup of groundnut oil. So we'll pour it inside the sugar and mix it together.
Yeah.
Okay? Are you hearing me?
Yes, mommy.
So we're going to mix it until it becomes smooth. Yeah?
Yes. Yes, mommy.
Go and get me egg in the fridge. Get me 4 eggs.
I'm making the
So we have to mix the sugar very well. Do you hear me? Mix the sugar and the oil.
I'm bringing 1 extra egg.
Yeah, don't bring another one. We're using 4 eggs.
Okay, I'm using 4 eggs.
Yeah. You see, I will mix the sugar until the sugar becomes soft.
Mommy, I'm bringing 4.
Give me. Okay, go and get another one more.
Okay, mommy, yes.
Okay, watch what I'm doing.
Yeah, bring 4 eggs.
Yes, now you can get, okay, that's okay. So, we are mixing it, okay? Put it down. Very good. We'll mix the sugar until it becomes soft, eh? So mix very well with the oil.
Yummy. Mommy, can you crack egg and be mixing?
So the next thing to be doing now is to be cracking the egg one after the other and be putting it inside.
Ooh.
Crack one, but turn it. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
You crack one, you do what?
Turn it.
Oh yeah, did you want to throw away this one? Throw it away in the dustbin.
Okay.
Fast. Oh yeah, crack another one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, throw this one.
Okay.
Any one you crack, you mix together with the sugar and the oil. So we are cracking the third one now.
Cracking the third one. Ooh. Yeah. Jesus. See many eggs.
Mommy, go throw it away. I turn it again. Yeah, throw it. Then I crack the last one. It's time to crack the last
one.
So we crack the last one now.
Jesus. Who is breaking?
Throw it away.
Yay!
Throw it away. Throw it away and come back and watch.
Mommy, mix.
So now we mix it. Okay, can you see what we are doing?
Yeah.
Then the next thing we'll be adding here now after this mixture now is our vanilla. Okay?
Yes,
we'll be adding our
vanilla.
So we have our little you're supposed to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I have only 1 spoon here left, so I'll add the vanilla. What this vanilla does now is to remove the smell of the egg. You know, the smell of the egg. Put small water for me here. Let me rinse it.
Okay.
Put small water inside.
Small water.
Small. Inside. Small. Don't small. Don't bring it there. Bring it there. Yeah. Let me rinse it very well. So, see, it is soft and smooth now. Have you seen it? We'll mix it very well. So the next thing we'll be mixing now is our
milk.
No, we're adding the
milk.
The flour, the mixture of the dry ingredients. So we'll be adding it little by little. So as I'm adding, I am turning. Okay?
And it'll be white.
Just watch what I'm doing. You'll see it. Don't turn it too much. Okay?
Yes, turn it small.
Exactly. You can use spatula at this point. Can you probably use spatula? But I don't want to use spatula. I want to use this. Okay?
What?
So make sure it doesn't throw. So you do it gradually. Uchechi, stop that. I'll send you out of this kitchen now.
No.
Okay. But have listen and learn.
Yes.
Watch with your eyes and listen with your ears. Yes. That's how you learn, okay? So
listen with your ears.
Have you seen it, Divine? Yeah, so we add the remaining flour, dry ingredients. Inside the dry ingredients, we have what and what? Flour, salt, baking powder. Good.
And egg.
No, egg is in the sugar mixture. So now we are adding our milk. We add it gradually and we mix together too. Okay?
Yes.
So we're adding our milk. We added 1.5 cup of milk.
We're adding my milk.
Okay? You mix it gradually. Are you seeing what I'm doing?
See what mommy is doing.
Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. Gradually. So we add the remaining milk. Yeah. Okay, we add some first, then we add the remaining later. Make sure that the thing rhymes very well, but don't overmix at this point, okay? Yes. At this point, you don't overmix. You mix it gradually. So that the cake will come out fluffy and moist, right? Yes. So it won't be. So at this point, I'm going to be removing the turning stick. I'll be using my spatula. Divine, put this turning stick, put it in the whisk, put it inside the sink. Then now we are going to be using our spatula. So I'm adding the remaining part of the milk I have. So this is my remaining part of milk. So I'm going to be mixing the remaining one. Yeah. So you do it as if you are food turning, okay? You food turn. Don't overhard. Don't be hard on it. Watch what I'm doing. Guys, watch what I'm doing. Leave that in. Watch what I'm doing. Divine, can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Gradually, you mix it very well until it becomes smooth, right?
Yes.
Uchechi, will you stop that or I'll send you out of the kitchen? Which do you prefer?
So, cake. We are making cake.
We are making vanilla cake. Vanilla cinnamon cake. So, have you seen how it's looking? It's looking yummy. It is mixing. So Mommy, at this point, you don't over mix, Mama. Okay? You fold mix.
Oh, for me.
It will make your cake to be moist.
Yes.
It will be moist.
And you'll be smooth.
Yes.
And you'll be smooth.
So you see what I'm doing? It is getting together. Very soon. It will be nice. Have you seen it?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
You don't over mix at this point. Can you see?
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Guys, can you see what our cake is looking like?
Wow.
Our cake is looking yummy already, even without baking. So we are going to be using... So at this point, hey, enough. We are going to be putting it in the cake. We are done mixing it. Yes. You see how it's looking?
Yes.
So now we want to be putting it inside the baking
pan.
So let me first of all fill these ones. So I'm not going to be putting too much, so to have space to rise, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is enough for that. So put in the other one, scoop in all of them. Be careful so that it doesn't stain the pan all round, okay?
Not stain the pan, yeah.
So you just
in the black pan.
Be careful in filling it, okay?
Mommy,
you don't fool it, you give space. Have you seen that I'm not filling it, the baking paper? I'm not filling it so that it can have space to rise, okay?
Mommy, don't put it there.
So we fill all.
We fill all. They want to eat it. Is it a cake?
It's not yet a cake until it is baked.
It is baked.
For now, it is called batter. At this point, it is called
batter.
It is called
batter,
not cake. After baking it, it will be called
batter.
Cake. After baking it, it becomes cake. Now it is called batter. Say batter, not batter. Batter.
Batter, not batter.
Not batter, yes, it's batter.
It's not
so
batter.
When we finish baking it inside the oven, it will become cake. So
shall I see my beautiful own?
So when you are doing this, you have to be careful so that the whole pan will not get stained, okay?
It's stained.
Clean that one up. So at this point, we are done with the baking tray, okay? The 12 is complete. So we put it aside. Then we put on the remaining pan, the one that we have left here. We're going to be baking it here, right?
You put it in my hand.
Sorry. Hold this for me, Mama. Hold this.
Mommy, I want to
Hold it. Don't touch it on her hand. So watch me. Watch me as I put it here. Have you seen it?
Yes.
So you use your spatula.
I hate your cake.
Use your spatula to give me that and I'll clean it up here. Bring it, just stick it there. Don't waste my butter for me. So use your spatula to remove everything here. Okay?
Mommy,
are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes.
Hey, shut up your mouth and watch. I don't want to hear your mouth again. And don't tell me I'm making noise. I'm teaching you, you're saying making noise. Are you insane?
No.
Don't say that again.
Yeah, Mommy is a good mom. Don't say Mommy is no.
Okay? Good. Make sure you remove everything. It's all butter. Yeah.
Only butter.
So now,
Jesus.
you have to always do this so that your cake will come out very nice and smooth. You see, we have the one on the pan, and we have the. So now we're going to put our sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles.
You like this, eh?
Yeah.
So we'll put sprinkles on top.
Sprinkles.
For beautification.
And these sprinkles.
Yes, children love this a lot.
I love it too.
I know. I know you love it. So we are done. We are done putting everything inside the cupcake, see? And we put the sprinkles at this one. So now we're going to be putting it inside the oven.
Yeah. Sprinkle it oven.
Divine, go away from there.
No. Put it in the oven. Boom. So now putting it in the oven. Baking
So this will enter the oven. So we cover it on a low heat to bake.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So,
The water is wasting.
guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the end result of the cake. In the next 30 to 45 minutes, that cake will be ready.
Yeah.
Stay tuned and see it. God bless you and thank you for watching. Bye. So guys, let's check the last cake. The one on the pan. It's really a bit too big. The cake is baked. So here we have it. So how do you know if the cake has actually baked? You just have to dip in this or a toothpick, a dry something inside. So when it comes out dry, it shows that the cake is dry, is baked. So now it comes out dry. So our cake is properly baked. So that's how you know cake that has been baked properly. So we are going to be bringing it out. This is how you bring your cake out. It's actually hot. Allow it to cool down a bit. So we're going to be bringing it out. This is after like 5 minutes. So we're going to be removing the cake from the pan. Okay.
I'll finish my cake.
So this is what our cake looks like. So this is our cake.
Yeah, my cake.
See how our cake is looking. This is it. So let me turn it towards the other side. And it's like this. So here is what our cake looks like. Okay. When you be trying this recipe, you see, this cake is very fluffy. Trust me.
It's not very fluffy.
See how soft it is.
It's fluffy. Mommy, they're fluffy. Mommy, they're fluffy.
See how soft it is.
Mommy, I don't see it.
See?
I don't see it.
This is what the cake looks like. We are done baking.
Mommy, the cake is fluffy. Mommy, the
This is our
cake is
pan.
fluffy.